So there's 4 different types of micropipettes that you'll be using in this lab. They come in two variants, ones that look like this and others that look like this. They both perform the same task. When you're trying to figure out how much you can draw up in the different micropipettes, you'll want to look here, or on the other pipettes, you'll want to look at the top here. When you're measuring out the volume on this version of the pipette, you'll move this dial here, and that'll change the number, which reflects how much it can draw up. So it's currently set for 871 microliters. The other version's a little bit different in that you have to press the button before the knob will move, and it's the same function of rotating. And then when you release it, you can read to measure how much you're measuring up. So in this case, it's 126.2 microliters, where the line represents the decimal. Once you know which range of volume the pipette can draw up, you'll want to figure out which tip is best suited. So the blue tips work well for the pipettes with blue caps, and the ones that are white work for the pipettes that have the yellow caps. You can always double check which volume it is by looking at the bag itself and reading how much volume the tips are rated for. For the 2 different pipettes, you'll apply the tip in the same way, but when you go to eject, they have different ejection mechanisms. So this one, you press the button right here and it'll eject the tip. For the other one, when you want to eject the tip, it's actually the same button that you use for pulling up the solution, but you have to press on the 3rd click and that'll eject your tip. When you're pulling up the solution, you want to be at a 90-degree angle to the solution and stop at the first stop. So first stop, solution, draw up slowly. And when you're going to eject the solution, you want to be at a 45 and then go to the second stop. For these ones, you'll notice before you get to the tip ejection point, because you can watch this move out a little bit, stop before there, otherwise you'll eject your tip into the solution you've transferred. Unlike the other pipette, which has a 3-click system, this one only has a 2-click system. So you'll go to the first stop to draw up solution, and then you'll go to the second stop to deliver the solution. You don't have to worry about ejecting the tip because it's a separate button here.